This is why you should never stick chopsticks upright in a bowl of rice. In many East Asian cultures, especially in Japan, China, and Korea, this act is not just rude. It's deeply disturbing. An upright bowl of rice with chopsticks standing straight up closely resembles a funeral ritual. During memorials for the dead, rice is offered to spirits with incense sticks placed vertically, almost identical in appearance. Because of this association, sticking chopsticks into rice symbolizes death, mourning, and bad luck. To those familiar with the custom, it can feel like inviting misfortune or disrespecting the dead. At the dinner table, this action can shock others, cause panic, or instantly kill the mood. Some people may react strongly not out of anger, but fear and cultural instinct. So what should you do instead? Place chopsticks neatly across the bowl, on a chopstick rest, or on the side of your plate. These positions are neutral, respectful, and culturally appropriate. A simple habit can carry powerful meaning. Respect the culture. Respect the table. And never stick chopsticks upright in a bowl of rice. Did you learn something today? Comment down below.